that's where the guy went. Where he got stuck.
And we went up here.
Okay, there's a... oh, gosh. Ah, hit my head. Oh, my God. My head's really bad. Okay, wait. Before we go, up here.
Oh, here it is.
That's where it was.
That's where it is. Wait, stop.
What?
Go up here?
Yeah. Well, what? We're not going down there. Hit my head really bad. Well,
we did it.
Okay.
So, oh my gosh, you have to look at that.
I can't. I gotta just.
Okay.
I gotta drive. Uh-oh. It's up there, right? Oh, we're not gonna get up there.
No.
What do I have to look? What do I have to look at?
You won't believe what you're gonna see.
What? No water?
Down there, the drop is a cavern. It's terrible.
So what do you say? Go back or something? We can't get up there.
No, I agree. Don't even do it.
Why not?
Michael.
I mean, what we do is just back out.
Yeah, don't go back there. That was a
Look how easy this is.
Now,
We could have just backed. No, I meant right there, going up that little thing. Well, we got more nonsense right here. Oh my gosh.
keep going. Go.
Okay, roll down your window because I can't.
Okay, back up over there. So we gotta be smart. Okay?
I don't.
Okay, we are not getting through there. We can't get through there.
Okay, well, we can stop right here for now.
No.
You know what I think we're doing?
What?
We may need to go back now. Ew, the whole thing is wet.